What is Slingo and why does it sound like bingo? That's because it's very similar to it. The game combines a traditional bingo layout with the fun of real mechanics from slot games. The basic concept is quite simple, really. First, you mark off some numbers on the grid, just like when playing bingo. You will win if you can match them with the values on the reels. There is also a prize ladder. Climbing it will increase your payout potential. The first thing you notice in a Slingo game is the layout. You have the standard 5x5 grid with an additional spinning reel line. The game's goal is to match 5 numbers in a row. That can be done vertically, horizontally, or diagonally. To play the game, set your desired bet and click spin. You have 10 spins on every bet. Once you match a number from your reel to one present on the 5x5 grid, it will be marked off. The prize ladder represents the number of successful lines checked in a round. The higher the number, the bigger the prize. Slingo also features special symbols that can influence your gameplay. Some of the most popular include the Joker, the Super Joker, the free spin, a gold coin, and the devil. Some games may have different names for these symbols, but the mechanics remain the same. For example, the Joker may be named Wild, and the Super Joker may be called Super Wild. There are many Slingo things out there, from old school to fantasy or modern. Find your favorite one and give it a try. The main mechanics are the same for all of them. With that said, playing the game is incredibly easy. Here are some tips and tricks. 1. Find Slingo with special features. Whether you're only starting out or an experienced player, always go for the variants with bonus games. 2. Understand the pay table. Learning details from the pay table before you start is vital since most Slingo slots use similar combinations of symbols. 3. Don't overspend on extra spins. Getting close to completing a full house can tempt you to buy those extra spins. But although they're expensive and their cost may not be prize-worthy, going the extra mile is what gaming is all about. Remember to play it safe and don't waste your money. 4. Keep an eye on RTP and don't let your emotions get in your way. The average RTP of a Slingo game is around 96%, with some editions going over 97%. It can be easily distracting and can result in quickly getting your balance depleted if you're not paying attention. You must play online casino games responsibly. The best strategy tip for Slingo is to practice a lot. You can't expect to win immediately if you're a novice player. Practice makes perfect. Thanks for watching, and don't forget that you can try a variety of Slingo games for free at chippy.com.